The AGA Elise 48-inch induction range is brand new and interesting. In this video, we'll discuss both the pros and the cons to buying this style of range. At the end, you'll know whether you should buy one, or the new Fisher Paykel that just came out, or BlueStar when they introduced their 48 induction ranges. Let's get started with AGA's best features. I never comment on style because everyone's idea of style is different. But these ranges are good looking, especially in color. You have 14 color options. They are so nice that dark blue is known as the more refined indigo. Red is not red, but Piccadilly red. The cross handle knob are a bit more elegant than the standards as well. You also have 6 choices for knobs as well. We show it in a black color with brass handles in our showroom. It looks really nice. So if you're looking for a unique looking appliance, this range is a legit option. Fisher Paykel's induction range is $15,499. BlueStar will be around $16,000, yet the Elise is just over $10,000, so it'll be a least expensive 48-inch induction option. You have 5 induction zones with 3 7-inch, 1 6-inch, and 1 10-inch burner, with 3 of those burners being over 3,000 watts, so it has decent power for induction, and one problem we'll discuss a little bit later. My mom used to broil as her preferred mode when I was growing up. Her char burning aside, AGA has an interesting broiler. You typically place the food near the element when you broil, yet the Elise does that for you without moving the racks. The modes are full and half broil, and the broiler can accommodate 6 steaks. The ovens have swing doors rather than the traditional fold down. Swing doors are better because you don't have to lift your food over a door like a traditional oven. Down below the main oven, you also have a storage drawer for pots and pans. Now let's review a few problems. The cooktop is powerful enough, but you don't have the ability to bridge 2 elements together. For cooking in an oblong pan greater than 10 inches, this is a minor issue. I say minor because I saw a chef cook with an oversized griddle on a smaller induction burner. It's not optimal, but it still worked. The ovens are split with 2 2.8 cubic foot ovens along with a 0.5 cubic foot broiler. The ovens measure 17 inches high by 14 inches deep by 14.5 inches wide in each. Size is on the smaller size and could be a problem depending on how you cook. Now let's compare it to Fisher Paykel's new 48-inch induction range. If you find value in this video, please hit the subscribe button as it helps us grow the channel. Thanks for doing that. AGA Elise is less expensive at $10,499 versus Fisher Paykel's at $15,499. AGA Elise is 15 finishes and 6 handles, while stainless steel is your only option for the Fisher Paykel. You have 5 induction zones in the AGA. However, the Fisher Paykel is clearly better with 6 zones and 2 bridge elements. Fisher Paykel is a more standard oven with a 4.8 cubic foot larger oven and 2.1 cubic on the smaller one. Compare that to the 2 2.8 cubic foot ovens and a 0.5 cubic foot broiler in the AGA. Again, the swing door is better than a traditional oven door for heavier foods, let's say like a London broil or a turkey, if you can fit them. So it really depends if you need that larger oven and what you typically cook. Fisher Paykel is also more of a standard oven with self-cleaning and more of a conventional stove with a digital clock and smart functionality. So, do you buy an AGA Elise 48-inch range, or do you buy one of these? Thanks for watching.